little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something cheerful and fun, a happy flower tab with sparkles. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's get started. Let's start with the flower. Using a black marker, draw a small circle right in the center. This will be the middle of our flower. Now, draw 5 big petals around the circle. Make them nice and round to give the flower a happy look. Perfect! Our flower is blooming beautifully. Next, let's draw the stem. Now, let's add 2 leaves, one on each side of the stem. Make them long and pointy, and don't forget to add little lines for the veins inside the leaves. Great job! Time to draw the tab. At the bottom of the stem, draw a rectangle with slightly curved edges. It looks like a little pot.
La da 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 dee.
Let's make this tab super fun. Add 2 big round eyes on the tab and draw a little smile right below them. Look how happy it is now. It's like the flower is smiling at you. To make it magical, let's draw some sparkle stars around the flower. Draw small diamond shapes with little lines coming out of them. Add about 3 or 4 around the flower. Doesn't it look magical now? Great job! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to really make it stand out. Trace over the lines to make the drawing pop. Wow, doesn't it look amazing?
Yay!
It's time to make our flower tab come alive with colors. Let's grab our color pens and use bright colors. Here's what we'll use. Red color for the flower's center. Orange color for the sparkles.
La 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 la.
Yellow color for the petals. Green color for the stem and leaves. Blue color for the tab's rim. Purple color for the soil. Cream color for the base of the tab. Look at how beautiful and cheerful our flower tab looks now. It's like it's glowing with happiness. Fantastic work, friends! Look at your amazing flower tab with its happy smile and sparkly decorations. It's so colorful and fun. Thank you for drawing and coloring with me today on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.